Trendz TV brings you the ultimate review of the 2026 Lexus NX, a vehicle that represents the next evolution in luxury crossovers. The moment you lay eyes on this SUV, you realize Lexus has gone beyond simply updating a model, they've reimagined it. Every line, curve, and detail has been meticulously thought out to create a car that isn't just functional, but also a statement of sophistication and modern design. Today, we're going to dive deep into the 2026 Lexus NX, exploring everything from its exterior presence to interior comfort, performance, pricing, and overall driving experience. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this new NX deserves a spot at the top of the luxury compact SUV segment. Exterior. From the very first glance, the 2026 Lexus NX establishes its presence on the road with a front end that is sharper, more aggressive, and refined. The signature spindle grille has been reworked to integrate seamlessly with the front fascia, creating a sense of cohesion and flow that was slightly lacking in previous models. The grille is larger, but not overwhelming, giving the NX an assertive stance without appearing bulky. The triple-beam LED headlights are now slimmer and more angular, creating a distinctive light signature that gives the vehicle an intense and confident gaze. The hood has been sculpted with sharper contour lines, adding to the SUV's muscular, ready-to-move stance. Air vents are strategically positioned to improve aerodynamics, while subtle chrome accents highlight the premium detailing, making the NX look like it belongs in a higher class of luxury vehicles. The side profile of the NX reflects a refined balance of sportiness and elegance. Lexus has taken cues from coupe designs without sacrificing practicality. The roofline gently slopes towards the rear, giving the SUV a dynamic appearance, while still providing ample headroom for passengers in the back. Pronounced wheel arches accommodate wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches, emphasizing a wider and more planted look. The side mirrors are designed for aerodynamic efficiency and reduced wind noise, improving overall cabin quietness. Chrome window trims and subtle body sculpting contribute to an upscale feel, while the shoulder line runs elegantly from the front to the rear, adding a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The overall effect is a crossover that looks athletic without appearing aggressive, sophisticated without being understated, and ready for both city streets and highways. Moving to the rear, the 2026 NX continues Lexus's evolution of design excellence. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, providing a modern, cohesive look. The taillights are slightly three-dimensional, adding depth and a sense of premium craftsmanship. A new animated locking and unlocking sequence adds a futuristic touch. The rear bumper has been redesigned for a cleaner, more integrated appearance, with discrete exhaust outlets for gasoline models and fully sealed, aerodynamic designs for hybrids. The rear glass is slightly more sloped, complemented by a longer spoiler that enhances both style and aerodynamics. Every element of the back end, the lights, bumper, and trim feels intentional, carefully crafted, and striking, making the NX instantly recognizable from any angle. Interior. Stepping inside, the cabin of the 2026 Lexus NX is where luxury, technology, and comfort converge. The moment you open the door, the high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship are apparent. Soft-touch surfaces cover the dashboard, door panels, and center console, while metal accents add a modern edge. The centerpiece is the expansive infotainment screen, available in 14 or 17 inches depending on trim level. The interface is smooth, responsive, and intuitive, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded voice recognition system that responds quickly to commands. The screen is angled toward the driver for better visibility and ergonomics, while haptic feedback ensures a premium tactile experience when interacting with controls. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable layouts, allowing drivers to view everything from navigation to performance metrics in high resolution. The steering wheel itself is redesigned with softer leather, more comfortable grips, and logically placed buttons that enhance driving focus, comfort. And the NX is unmatched in its segment. Front seats are sculpted to provide exceptional support and optional heating, ventilation, and even massage functions on higher trims. Rear passengers enjoy improved legroom and reclining seats, making long journeys comfortable and stress-free. Cabin quietness has been improved through additional sound-deadening materials and refined seals around doors and windows. The panoramic sunroof option brings natural light into the interior, enhancing the feeling of openness and space. Storage solutions have been thoughtfully placed throughout the cabin, including larger cup holders, deeper door pockets, and a more practical center console. Cargo space has been optimized, and the liftgate now operates more smoothly and quietly, demonstrating Lexus's commitment to refinement. Performance under the hood. The 2026 Lexus NX offers multiple powertrain options to suit a variety of driving preferences. The base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine provides smooth and reliable performance, paired with an upgraded automatic transmission for seamless gear shifts. For those seeking more excitement, the NX 350 features a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine producing around 275 horsepower, delivering brisk acceleration and confident highway passing capability. Hybrid variants, such as the NX 350 Hours and NX 450 Hours Plus plug-in hybrid, bring impressive efficiency without sacrificing performance. The plug-in model now offers a greater all-electric driving range, making it ideal for daily commutes with minimal fuel consumption. Lexus has also fine-tuned the suspension, balancing comfort and control, while the steering system has been made more precise, resulting in an engaging yet relaxed driving experience. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking, further enhancing the sense of security and sophistication. Pricing for the 2026 Lexus NX is competitive in the luxury crossover segment. The base model starts in the mid-$40,000 range, providing premium features and advanced safety technology, while higher trims, including the hybrid and F-Sport versions, extend into the upper $50,000s to low $60,000s. Considering the level of technology, design, and efficiency offered, the NX represents strong value compared to competitors, providing luxury, reliability, and performance without exorbitant costs. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus NX represents a significant leap forward for the brand. It combines bold, confident exterior styling with a high-tech, comfortable interior, advanced powertrain options, and impressive efficiency. Every detail, from the aggressive front grille to the full-width rear lights, communicates Lexus's commitment to refinement and innovation. The driving experience is smooth, responsive, and reassuring, while the interior delivers a level of luxury and comfort that rivals much more expensive SUVs. With competitive pricing and unmatched reliability, the NX is a standout choice for anyone seeking a premium compact SUV that excels in design, technology, and everyday usability. For luxury crossover buyers who want sophistication, modern technology, and proven reliability, the 2026 Lexus NX is a strong contender that will impress on every level. Whether navigating city streets, cruising highways, or enjoying weekend adventures, it offers an unmatched blend of comfort, style, and performance that wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 Lexus NX here on Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth looks at the latest vehicles hitting the market, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment below which car or SUV you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Trendz TV.